Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Sylvia, and today I am going to be teaching you how to do a green tea shampoo. Yes, you heard me right, the one you'll be buying from the drugstores and the market. I am going to teach you how to do it right from the comfort of your home. So first, we are going to be needing a green tea. Dissolve it in the water, then add your black soap. If you don't want to use black soap, you can buy the normal soap from the market or anywhere you can get it and use it instead of the black soap. But I prefer the black soap because it has a lot of elements that are very good for the hair and scalp. The next thing is vitamin E capsule. Leave at least 2 capsules in the water and allow it to dissolve. This shampoo is very good for your scalp to keep your scalp healthy and free of any buildup in the hair roots. After putting your capsule in the water and allowing it to dissolve, your shampoo is ready. All you have to do is fetch it and pour it in your container or anything that you want, wherever you want to store it, and use it for as long as you want. So guys, if today is your first time watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification button so you don't miss any video from me, and also don't forget to share so we get more people. If you're already a G, please don't forget to share, like and comment. I have videos on how to do ginger shampoo and also how to do a rice shampoo for your hair. I will leave those links in the description box. Please check them out and do the shampoo of your choice. The green tea used in this video is Lipton, so if you have Lipton, you are good to go. Until I see you guys in my next video with another exciting video right there. For now, bye.